want to focus on one thing, though, which is about the guest experience, the eco-conscious travel. What do they want, right? But it's about what do they do in your hotels, and what can you offer them that is part of their experience that has these aspects of eco-friendly, eco-conscious social impact. So
we are trying to be unabashedly authentic, right? And it's in our brand pillar, sense of place. We try to highlight that, highlight what's the best in Bacolod, the cuisine, the architecture, you know, the lifestyle of the people, right? And sense of place, leveraging on the Filipino, which what she said. I think it's now time to be not shy about who we are. We are a melting pot. Yes, there is Chinese influence, Malay influence, Indian influence, but that makes us unique. Leveraging on the Filipino, our strengths in hospitality. And then the last is celebrating our country, who we are, right? Using our social enterprise.
We've created a guideline for all the menus. In our menus, and Miss Anne knows this, that in our menus, we have to have a section on sustainable food, meaning you have to be able to tell the guests where the source is from, and we have a whole section on heritage cuisine. I encourage all our executive chefs to buy local, okay? Buy local. And as of now, we have about 1,600 MSMEs that we support, okay? We also invented this term. I mean, it's not new, but we use it a lot in our F&B. We call it local cuisine, meaning use local ingredients presented in a very global way.
How do we bring knowledge to the ground? So for companies as big as ours, since 2022, we've embarked on a journey called Journey to Tomorrow. This is embedded in all of our standards, in all of our hotels, because if you don't embed it in the standards, it's not gonna get done. IAG has come up with a tool in our site for our people that's a training site. So we bring down what is food waste to our staff. So we train everybody from the concierge up to myself, and we take this training. And that training actually bridges the understanding of what they see in the hotel to what they can do at home. Because if you cannot understand what it is, you will not be able to push it forward to the clients and to the other associates or colleagues in the hotel.
for me, how the guest experience is involved for sustainability for Ascott. So how do you do it?
I think globally there was a research done what guests are looking at hotels doing in terms of sustainability. So they're looking at green features, they're looking at green features, green certificates, and also seeing that the staff or the hotel is actually working towards sustainability. On the other hand, also the guest touch, we believe that we need to involve guests sometimes to allow them to be part of the sustainability process, because we put a lot of effort into buildings, they don't see it.
We put it in a story form, right? So number one, it has to be relevant, relatable, of course. So that's why, food is very relatable. That's why we always have, if you look at our social media, every month we have something about sustainability with regards to food.
As the leadership of the company, it's really embracing sustainability and understanding what sustainability really is before even communicating it, right? Because we have to communicate it right. So sustainability is really for us now. It's basically from the big picture of what we do, Eric.
Sustainability is here for all of us to be together, to forge forward, and to believe that we can all do it.
sustainability is not as expensive as everybody thinks it is, because in the long run it actually pays off. Working with the community, working with your neighbors, hiring the locals, training them, actually in the long run you gain a lot of loyalty from these staff. They actually repays you. So I just need everyone to think about sustainability as really a long-term investment. Actually, the return of investment is much higher than just the monetary terms, and it does pay back.